Hi, Emma. Did you just have some yogurt? You did? Say hi. How was it? Oh. Did you eat it all by yourself? Yeah, Mama. Did you get any of it in your mouth? Did you get any yogurt in your mouth? Maybe? Up your nose. Oh, now you're smearing it on there. There we go. Oh, there we go. A little bit of a facial. Dakota's helping to clean up. Dakota. Say bye-bye.